Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where creativity takes flights. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of butterfly inspired designs. Get ready to be captivated by the stunning beauty of our creative butterfly pillow designs. These beautiful butterfly shaped cushions are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, making them a stunning addition to both contemporary and traditional interiors. The butterfly shape itself is a symbol of transformation, grace, and beauty, making it an ideal inspiration for a pillow design. Each pillow is carefully constructed with high quality materials, ensuring both comfort and durability. The soft plush fabric used in the creation of this pillow add a luxurious and inviting feel, making them perfect for lounging or as decorative accent on sofas, chairs, or beds. One of the most striking features of these butterfly pillows is their intricate and vibrant patterns. The wings of the butterfly are made with a range of captivating designs from delicate florals to abstract geometrics, each tailored to be suit a variety of personal taste and interior styles. The color palette is carefully chosen to create a harmonious and visually pleasing composition with shades that range from vibrant and bold to soft and muted. The versatility of the butterfly pillow design allows it to be used in various settings. In a living room, these pillows can serve as an eye-catching focal point. Placing them on a bed add a touch of whimsy and charm, turning a simple bedroom into a tranquil haven. They can also be used as floor cushions in children's playrooms, creating a playful and imaginative atmosphere. These butterfly pillows also offer practicality. The shape of the pillow provides excellent support for the back, neck, or head, making them ideal for lounging and relaxation. Whether you are reading a book, watching a movie, or simply taking a moment to unwind, these pillows cradle you in comfort while adding a unique element to your space. The butterfly pillow designs not only appeals to adults but also captures the imaginations of children. The whimsical shape and vibrant colors make them a delightful addition to nurseries and playrooms. These pillows can inspire creativity and imaginative play, allowing children to transform their surroundings into a magical butterfly heaven. The creative butterfly pillow designs combine aesthetic appeal, comfort, and versatility, making it a truly beautiful addition to any space. With their intricate patterns, soft fabric, and graceful shape, these pillows bring a sense of elegance and whimsy that enchants both young and old. Whether used as decorative accent or for practical sport, these butterfly pillows are sure to captivate and inspire everyone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more away inspiring creations. Until next time, stay inspired.